Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on LENOVO G70 laptop. So the first thing I want to apply copying and pasting features on is text. So let's create a new text document. Let's go inside, and here we can input some sample text to work with. And right now, if we hold down the left key of our mouse and drag it over the text, we'll be able to select it, and to copy it, we'll have to either right-click it and select copy, or we can use a shortcut of Ctrl and C buttons, so just press them simultaneously, and then select the blank space in your document and press Ctrl+V to paste it. You can of course paste part of the text by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+C, and then pasting it with Ctrl+V, or just right-clicking and selecting paste. Windows also has a Clipboard feature, which allows you to store your previous selections in one place. To access it, use Windows+V combination, so two buttons, Windows and V. Now if you press this, you'll see all the selections that you previously had, and you can input any of them right here. Now besides text, you can also copy and paste everything on your PC. So for example, let's go into pictures, let's select some image and press Ctrl+C, and then if we press Ctrl+V in the same directory, this image will be copied, pasted, and it will have a copy in its name, because we already have a file with this name in the same directory. So for example, if we take this picture and paste it in documents, it will still be named image1, because there is no other image1 in this directory. Now, besides copying and pasting, we can also cut things off some directories, and it's done by pressing Ctrl and X buttons at the same time, or just right-click. You can just right-click on it and select Cut from the list, and then choose the directory you want to move this picture to, and then either press Ctrl+V or right-click V. And as you can see, this image is right here right now. If you return to documents, we'll no longer see the image in this directory. And that's basically all the copying and pasting features I wanted to tell you about. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.